Welcome back. Today I want to show you one reason why it's important to shoot in RAW. I always tell everybody, whether you're just getting started or you've been shooting for 30 years, if you're not shooting in RAW, you need to be shooting in RAW. Now if you're a beginner and you don't understand RAW, that's fine. Go ahead and set it to shoot RAW on your both cards, one JPEG, one RAW. Then you can, when you do learn RAW, you can come back and see how much creativity you can do with your JPEG that you shot at the beginning. So with that said, let's get on with these pictures and take a look at them. This first picture, as I just shot, it's like about almost 5 stops underexposed. The next picture is the JPEG image that I put into Photoshop to try to bring the image back. It brought it back some. It's not very good. And then this third picture, you can see this third picture is shot RAW and it's pulled back. I think I remember on the picture it being 4.25 stops of RAW underexposed. It just pulled all the underexposed away and you've got a nice looking image. So if you're in a hurry or if you shoot events, you don't always have to nail every picture exactly. When you're shooting RAW, you know, I've got a couple stops leeway. I can go in and adjust these. I'm not saying don't always shoot to get the best exposure. I'm just saying it's better to have a picture that's 90% right than have no picture. So anyway, if we're helping you guys out, my email's down below. Have a good day. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.